Folks, I got my early springtime thinking cap on today, and we're going to do an incredible, beautiful vintage springtime table right here on my take on Home and Garden. Okay guys, today's inspiration. I've been collecting this over a year now. It was not funny to try to get enough, even for a 5-seater table. It's so exclusive. Okay, so Johnson Brothers came out with their Tulip Time pattern in 1962. They made this till 77 in 3 different colors. There's a brown, there's blue on white like ours, and there's blue on blue. It's a powder blue background. Alrighty now, because the table is all about the vintage dinnerware, I'm gonna go white on white on white. And I'm gonna start out with this center bush, which has just a little white. See, so we don't want a lot of color. Again, the dinnerware is the star today. So what else are we going to see in early spring? Well, we have Lily of the Valley on our vase, and we can do 2 of those. Even though I like odd, sometimes you can't help it. That's all there is. Okay, so I want this tall upright piece. You see, this will really help accent those leaves. I've got crocus. Most of you know, first thing to pop up through the snow. Just wonderful. And it says, hello, hello, spring. Really cute memories up north with those. And I do love getting a little potted bunch of any of the spring stuff. Tulips, hyacinths, crocus. Now we're blue and white, so I want to incorporate these blue carnation in our arrangement. Just almost minimal, maybe 1 lily for definition in the center there. Doesn't mean I think it's Easter time, it's an Easter lily. And a little baby's breath. We lost our Lily of the Valley, we'll pull that up, and just the smallest piece of baby's breath in the middle. Oh, yeah. Liking that. For a extra posh spring table, I think this is really gonna do it. The only other time I might do this is a wedding. You know, you can picture it. Next, the superstar, of course, our Tulip Time by Johnson Brothers. 1962. Some people don't understand. Why would you get thrilled over an inanimate object? Well, a lot of you know the inanimate object has a history, and it has a culture, and it has a beauty. And it has people that made it and worked on it and lived with it and took care of it. That's why it's exciting to me. After dinner, you know, we're going to have a coffee. Here is the last cup and saucer, the gravy boat. And I want to share with you, I did just find the gravy boat underplate. And as soon as I get this table done, I'm going to go buy it because I want it. And it'll go just super cute with everything here. Now, we have depictions of Holland, so we have to have the Gouda cheese, what they're known for. Gouda. We'll have Brie and Gouda and blue. And we gotta have a casserole dish. Now, do I have to twist your arm? How about a wine? And we'll put that about 1 o'clock off the plate. Next, a wonderful crystal water glass or champagne. Now next we're going to set the flatware. And most of you that have been with us know we're going to face the edge of the dinner knife to the plate. And I like following the curve of the table here when you have a round table. So we're putting our dinner fork and our salad fork next to our 100% cotton napkin with the crystal napkin ring. Almost forgot the wine. I'm so into the dishes, I almost forgot the accents. Accent pieces, blue and white, original vintage pieces from Holland. And here's the matching sugar and creamer that goes with this set. I wanted to make sure everybody can see a windmill. We just happen to have 3. As they sit around the table. Where are you gonna go, folks? Matching salt and pepper shakers. Woo! Unbelievable. Too cute. Don't put those there. Okay, so I did decide to add a cordial because we love that after dinner nip. Just an excuse to have before our coffee. Now I'm gonna have to take you and show you all around. So folks, if you thought our Tulip Time by Johnson Brothers dinner table for 5 was kind of special, come on over. We got 1 seat left. We're having ribs. And if you can't make it, please give us a like, a share, a comment, a smiley face, and send that wooden shoe full of subscribers over. Okay, it's got to be a big shoe. Thanks guys, take care now, everybody be safe, and we'll see you with the next over-the-top decor dinner table.